right? This is our lesson on correlation and regression in statistics. So first we need to know what is correlation. Correlation is an association between two or more variables. But for your syllabus, I'm going to concentrate on two variables, which are x and y. So the correlation can be positive or negative. Positive means when one is increasing, the other one is increasing. Negative means when one is going up, the other one is going down. So the best way to show correlation is through the scatter plots. I think you have done something like this before. So before I do a scatter plot, I'm going to look at the ice cream and temperature relationship. We know that there is a relationship. The cells of ice cream normally they depend on the temperature. So temperature affects ice cream cells. In that now, since they depend on each other, now x is going to be our temperature because it affects ice cream cells. So we are going to plot temperature on the x-axis and ice cream on the y-axis because ice cream depend on the. So when I plot, this is how it goes. As you can see, the dots are going up, so it means there is a positive relationship between ice cream cells and temperature. Now there are possible relationship which can occur. If it's a straight line, we call it perfect positive because it's going up, so it's positive. Perfect means straight line. High positive correlation or strong, it's when it's going up but not in a straight line. Then low, it's when there is no, they are going up but we are not seeing, they are not close to each other. Then when there is no relationship, we can see it, they will be just scattered. So the negative relationship is going down. This one is a weak negative, this one is strong negative, this one is perfect negative. So these are the ways of showing using a scatter. And the scatter, I think you know how to draw the scatter. I'll show you it through so when temperature is 14, ice cream cells was 215. So 14 and 215, this is the point. You make a dot, all of them. So then you come up with this. So they can help us. Or alternatively, we can calculate what we call Pierson correlation coefficient, which is represented by a small r. It shows again the relationship between two variables. Now the r that we can calculate always fall between -1 and 1 or 0. When it's 0, it means there's no relationship. When it's positive 1, it means perfect positive. Negative 1 means perfect negative. The formula for calculating is this: r is equals to n summation of xy bracket summation of x bracket summation of y. We square root, it covers everything. Then it's n bracket of x summation of x squared minus in bracket summation of x, then you square the bracket. So how do we get this? So I have put some figures here, the temporal ones, which are easy to calculate. Suppose these are our x when x is 2, y is 2. When x is 3, y is 5. When x is 4, like our ice cream sales, but this is a different data. When I add the x's, I get what we call summation of x. When I add the y's, I get what I call summation of y. When I add the x squared, like here, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 2, 16, 15, like that. If I add this, I get summation of x squared. Then the y squared again is 2 squared is 4, 5 squared 25, like that. If I add them, you get summation of y squared. Then I can make the cross multiplication x times y. This is this one, x times y. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 5, 15. 4 times 7, 28. 5 times 10, 50. Then I add. This is summation of x, y. These values are the ones which I'm going to use to. These are the ones which I'm going to use to substitute. So the R now, this is the same formula. Then this is the R. So n is 5. How many pairs do we have? There are 5 pairs. So the summation of x, y, this is the one. Okay. 20 summation of x is this. This is summation of y. We substitute. The answer that we get is the R, which is this. Or alternatively, now this is an alternative way of showing the relationship using first we said scatter. This one is the correlation, which should be always between -1 and 1. Then regression, we use its y is equals to a plus bx. So I look for b. This is the formula, and I substitute for a. Then when I finish, I put the answers in this. Then this is my equation. This is how to find a. This a. This is how to find b. This b. So this is the substitution. These are the formulas, and the same data that we used today is the one which we use. So this is the equation. So that's the relation. That's the correlation. The first one. The second one. That's the regression. Thank you very much.